So hey guys, hey my people. Hope that you're all doing fine. So it's a girl, Mungai's Diaries, and this is where we travel, learn, and discover. So guys, today is on a Saturday, and we have an Aupair event in the city. I'm going to Vesterport today. I'm getting ready, guys. So the event is all about like workshop, and actually it's my first time I'm attending such an event. And guys, I just want to go with you guys and to share with you guys how it's gonna be. And I'm hoping to meet new people and learn few things and let's see how it goes, guys. I'm getting ready. By the way, mjipaka karemi kwa uso. Msikuje msinianze tena mgai wewe na wewe. Itabidi mmezoea. Itabidi mmezoea. But si ati sina mafuta. Kuna mafuta. Niseme ati sina mafuta. So anyway, guys, let's get ready and go because like I'm supposed to leave the house at 1. It's 12:46 and I need to grab something to eat because the event starts at 2 and I should be there on time. Like manze huko Europe you have to like learn how to keep time. See stories za kuwa late every time, you know. So I'm getting ready and then go get something to eat fast. Alafu tukisonga. And guys, by the way, before we start this, kindly if you've not joined the family, consider joining the family, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you will always be notified. Okay, guys? Anyways, I'm getting ready. Let me how do you call it? Put on my shoes and then show you my outfit of the day. So guys, I'm ready, I'm done. I don't know if kama mnaona hadi huku chini. I think you cannot see. Let me go. Yeah, I'm done. I'm ready to go. But guys, I'm gonna put on this one since it's the weather here it's not friendly at the moment. I'm gonna spice it up with this one. Remember, like a vest down here, like that, and but I just love this one. Like you can do it like in a hips. Sijui mbona amuoni huku chini. I don't know what I'm gonna do. And then this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it like this. I close it and then your girl is gonna stray. Yo. Alafu nimevaa. Nipande juu ya kiti. Your girl is crazy. By this sasa ningekuwa na nini? Ningekuwa na bae. Ningekuwa nimempigia simu nimwambie, "Bae, what do you think about my outfit?" Huh? You single life, by the way. But anyways, it's a good thing. So anyway, guys, let me get myself ready and start going because it's 12:55 na nafaa kutoka saa 7 because the event starts at 1. Not at 1, at 2 p.m. and I should be there on time. I don't want to be late. Yo. So anyway, guys, I'm going with you guys and let's see how it goes, guys. Okay, see you in the next